Thank you to the organizers for having me. Thank you so much for a very wonderful performance, right? Once again, that was before tayo magkakaroon, kailangan muna natin magsisigaw dito on stage. And we'll be here until 6 p.m. Ayan, because later on, after the segment natin, sila kainin kaya Sparkle GMA, Sparkle segment! Ayan, hello, hello! Welcome to the
Name na, what?
Okay.
Malawas kay Bukeng Balay. Hi everyone, I'm Riza. I'm Precious. Yes, and we're here to explain what is Balay Kapampangan. Balay means home, so bahay. So this is bahay ng mga Kapampangan. Yun lang. Anong question mo, sir? So, yun lang. Most likely, yung mga binibenta namin dito sa Balay Kapampangan is mga authentic Kapampangan foods, such as our fried frog tugak, meaning it's a froglets. We also have the authentic Kapampangan dessert, and we do have this Uber right here wherein we sell a lot of Filipino drinks, such as calamansi, lemonada. We also have here buko pandan latte, and a lot more.
So, anong specialty nyo?
Specialty namin is the fried tugak. Fried tugak. It's a authentic Kapampangan food. Yes. And then meron din kami Kapampangan sisig. Sabi ng iba, diba, what is Kapampangan sisig? Yung Kapampangan sisig, that's the real authentic sisig without anything. Only chicken liver, pork ears, and pork nuts. And then that's it. Sobrang sarap.
So, anong mga reaction ng mga Kapampangan dito sa Toronto?
Sobra yung pagkamahal nila dito sa food ng Kapampangan. Kasi sabi nga nila, diba, Pampanga is the culinary capital of the Philippines. So, yun. When we talk about food, Kapampangan food is the best.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And today,
Ang hanap nyo dito lang sa Kabalan, $10 only.
$7